Our session is going to see the pre-processing in Vika tool. In first, Vika tool should be installed inside the computer. Then after complete the installation, the Vika icon can be inserted into the start menu. Just we have to process the pre-processing using Vika tool. Now the Vika toolbar can be opened. Now if we want to get a data set for analyzing the process means just this is a GUI graphic user interface chooser for Vika. Here we choose the tool menu and get ARFF viewer. From the ARFF viewer, we have opened the several data sets from the Vika tool. These are the inbuilt data structures, the data sets are held in the Vika. So here we choose a labber in our lab work to demonstrate the pre-processing using labber.arf file. So we choose the labber.arf file and select open. The file is open. From this file, there are how many fields? I think 17 fields are there in the data set. There are 17 fields, that is 17 attributes are there. Inside this attribute, there are how many instance means 49, 0, 1 to 49 instance are there, and some attributes are numeric values and some attributes are text values, that is called as nominal. Numeric value is called as represent as numeric. So we take this data set for pre-processing work. So we have to save this data into the local disk. Save as, then we have to found our local disk, whatever you want from my computer. We choose one of the folder and put it and save the file, that is labor.arf. Then just we move to GUI Explorer, and now we can move to explore the pre-processing work. For pre-processing work, we choose the menu is Explorer, and the window will be displayed Explorer. That is Vika tool, Vika Explorer. Yeah, now it's be viewed. The Vika Explorer can be viewed. Here there are the several menu or here, that is pre-process, classify, cluster, associate, select attribute and visualize. These are the several operations can be happened inside the Vika tool. This is one of the properties are there. When we open a data set, these other menus will be enabled, otherwise it will be in hide manner. So we just open the data set from our local disk, whatever we have to save in our file, where I think the labor.arf can be opened. So automatically when we choose from our local disk labor.arf dataset, the corresponding instance are displayed in the attributes. What are the attributes are there in our dataset? The whole things will be displayed, and for each attribute how this type will be displayed, and distinct and missing values also displayed in percentage. So for then the second attribute is also one of the numeric value. The third one is numeric, fourth one is numeric, and fifth one is nominal. So it may be in text format. Then sixth one is numeric, and seventh one is text format. That is the type is nominal, and missing is 53%. It was missing. Then standard by pay. This is 84 times 84% as missing, and shift dimension, education allowance. This is also nominal. So yes or no. That is a text format there. So the type is in nominal form, and statutory holidays and vacations. These are also in text format. Long term, it is a nominal. Contribution is also nominal. Bereavement assistance, this is also in nominal. Contribution to health plan also nominal, and class is a nominal. So this is a lab data set. We have to import from the Weka data set. Then now just we have to pre-processes the attributes what we want. First, here there are someone is in numeric and someone is in nominal type. So we have to pre-processing for further analysis means one is we have if we want to classify the data means we have to pre-processes the numerical to nominal way. So this is one of the type for pre-processing. First type is several in our data set. There are several attributes that have numeric value. So if we want to analyze the classification process means the we need numerical value can be converted to nominal type. So this is one of the way to proceed the pre-processing. Then another way is if we want to association process or clustering process, then for frequency type we have to move for discretization. Discretization is also one of the pre-processing thing. Discretization means it is a process through which we can transform the continuous variable models or functions into a discrete form. If we want to create a set of contiguous intervals or bins that go across the range of our described variables, models, and functions. For a purpose of we can handle the outliers or equal frequency does improve the value spread and categorical encoding. For this improvement of process, we have move discretization pre-processing. So it is very useful to further analysis of association cluster and also classify. Then for classification, we move for numerical to that is the convert a numerical value to nominal value. So it is one of the way by the process using classification. By pre-processing for using discretization means we just useful to cluster the data analysis and associate the data analysis, so on. So now we choose the pre-processing using this filter. We choose the menu. In supervised and unsupervised, there are the two types. We have to pre-process the attributes. In supervised attributes, here it is a discretized range will be displayed. Here, just we note on the menu the corresponding meaning of discretized will be displayed. The instant filters that discretize a range of numeric attributes in a data set into nominal attributes. So this is one of the way for converting the numerical attribute into nominal attribute. So the classes, the capability of classes are binary class or nominal class. So the attributes are maybe in at data date, empty, nominal, attribute, missing values. These are all category they will be handled. And interfaces, supervised filters, weighted attribute handler, and weighted instance handler. These are the categorical they will be maintained for the database during the pre-process. So it is a very useful to match the pre-processing task by related with the required data set. So we choose the discretized from first to last precision. If we want the range means, if you want the range means, if we want the discretize the attributes from 1 to 6 means we have to indices range between 1 to 6. Otherwise, if we want all the attribute means we just noted on first to last. Then this is one of the inbuilt one. So we have to avoid this. Just we index the attribute, how many attributes we want to pre-process. So we suggest, because most of attributes are in numerical way. So we suggest first to last and click OK. Then finally we select the apply. Automatically the each process it should be changed the missing values. So some in previous stage the missing values are 84 percentage, and some attributes displayed 11 percentage, 46 percentage. After completing the pre-process, the classes will be happened and the missing value will be changed. So this is one of the pre-processing way. If we want to select this here means the corresponding instance can be changed whatever it all inside the data set. So this is one of the pre-processing by using discretization. Thank you.